Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Logitech Pro X League of Legends, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the ear pads on this device. So basically, it's very easy to do. So first, I need to open the ears, then just making these actions, just take off the ear pad and take off the other ear pad. So I suggest you start with the corner, because in this point it's easier to start. Then of course you need to use new shoes, so new ear pads. You have it in the box of the headphones. So as you can see, I have two complets of the ear pads, and now I need to set up it. So as you can see, we have right and left ear pads, and here on the ear you have the R and L letters. So for example, on this ear we need to set up right ear pad. So I suggest to start with the corner again. So just start with this corner, for example. Great, so we have one side, and now try to do it with the other. So it's easier when the earpads are used. Of course, if you have new earpads, it's difficult to do because it's new and it's not too elastic to do it. But it's possible. So try it with the other. Start with the corner. One of the other, don't matter. Okay, great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.